Hello, this is Diana Gonçalves, and this is the first video on my ICT in an ELT project to promote teachers' literacy in Web 2.0 tools. Today I'll teach you how to open your own Wiki Spaces classroom. First thing you have to do is go to Wiki Spaces by www.wikispaces.com. Enter, and here you will see the Wiki Spaces classroom entry. You have here below two options to join. One has a teacher and one has a student. Since this is for teachers, in my case, I'm going to open I'm a teacher. Click on it. Choose your username. Remember, you cannot use spaces. You can use dots, numerals, and other kind of symbols, but you cannot use spaces. Choose your password. Recommend you to use a password that you can remember easily, or write it down right after, and your email account. In this case it's already here, so I'm going to just OK. After you've done all of this, you only click on join. It's coming. And your account has been created. You are logged in and ready to go. Here you have your message, and you're right now in the new wiki section, so you can create your first wiki. Let's choose the name. For example, in our case, let's create a classroom for advanced conversation. Advanced conversation course. Now you have to complete a series of data, where you come from, where you are. This information will not be shared with anyone. In our case, we are in Venezuela. The school name, you can choose any or type it. In our case, let's say Cambridge School. City, you can say Caracas. State, Distrito. Capital, postal code 1010. And of course you have to choose the type of school. In our case, we're going to use higher education. This is optional, but if you want, you can complete this section with the course that it's going to be taught and the grade, but in our case it's not necessary. And of course you have to certify that this wiki will be used for education. Just click on create once you have finished, and voila, here you are in your classroom. Now this is the home page. This is the first thing your visitors will see. So the first thing we are going to do is, before anything else, go to settings, so we can choose color and design. Here you have this information about the page. So far so good, but let's just go first to general. In general, you can change the title you have on the top. In this case, you have what you opened it with, Advanced Conversation CS. We're going to change it to Advanced Conversation Cambridge School. So once here, you can use spaces. And you have the application type. If you want a classic wiki functionality, you can click here. A basic website that looks like a website edited like a wiki, click here, but we're going to keep classroom modality, designed for teachers and students, and which includes newsfeed and formative assessment features, right? So we're going to save. We don't care about the rest of the information for now. As it says, we go to permissions. You can make it private, where only members of this wiki can view and edit pages, or you can let non-members request membership in this wiki. In our case, we're going to keep it private, so only people who I invite will be able to come, ask for access, and visit and edit the pages. After that, we're going to look and feel, which is what I care about right now, themes and colors. This is the design and the theme we have right now. Let's just change it, have something more personalized. You have many you don't have many options in this case, but let's choose this one over here, black and blue. You could have a preview if you like. There you have, I like it, and I'm going to click on apply. Also, if you wish, you have the statistics, but so far we're not interested in that. The first thing we're going to do is, then again, go back to home page. The next step would be creating and editing your pages. However, you can experiment and do it yourself or wait for our next tutorial. I now say goodbye until we meet again.